Welcome, in this video I will show you how to toggle USB boot on LENOVO V15. First of all, you're gonna have to enter BIOS menu on your computer. So in order to do this, you have to turn off your device completely, then short press the power button and start repeatedly pressing F2 key right afterwards until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. Once you see it, you can navigate here using left and right arrow keys to change tabs, and up and down arrow keys to select values or to select options. This way navigate to the boot menu, right here, and select USB boot option. Press enter, and to disable it you have to select disabled. To enable it, select enabled with enter. Now to apply changes and exit, press F10 and enter. To exit without saving changes, press escape, and to restore default values, press F9. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.